I will show you how to make a natural fertilizer for tomatoes so that the fruits are big and juicy. I will pour a liter of lukewarm water into the jug. I need dry yeast. Yeast is excellent in plant nutrition because it stimulates their growth. Yeast contains vitamin B and the minerals nitrogen and phosphorus. Contains enzymes that activate the action of good bacteria in the soil. Feeding plants with yeast is effective in all stages of development. Accelerates flowering and fruit ripening. I add 10 grams of dry yeast to a liter of water. Now I need sugar. Sugar feeds the good bacteria in the soil. I will add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir. Write to me in the comments from which country you are watching me. It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. 1 bag of yeast of 10 grams goes to a liter of water. You make the amount you need. I'll let it sit for 30 minutes now. Our natural fertilizer has been sitting and we are going to water the tomatoes. Water the tomatoes twice a month. You can also water the pepper. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends.
When the first small cucumbers appear, then I give them the supplement so that they grow big, fat, and juicy. Cucumbers have just started to form fruit. Right now, the plant spends a lot of energy on their development. I need the washed and dried shells of 4 eggs. I will grind them. I put the ground husk in a jug. I add vinegar to cover the eggshell. Vinegar helps to separate the calcium. I'll stir. You will immediately see the reaction, how foam is created. I will let it sit for 24 hours. After 24 hours of standing, I received a concentrate rich in calcium. I pour the concentrate into the bottle. I dilute the concentrate with 1 liter of water. I add a spoonful of wood ash. Wood ash is rich in potassium. I'll shake it up. I water around the roots once every 15 days. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.
I will prepare a natural fertilizer for tomatoes that improves growth and increases yield. I will add 2 tablespoons of tomato concentrate without salt to half a liter of water. I will stir. I will add 40 grams of fresh yeast. Yeast stimulates the growth of plants and leads to more abundant flowering and strengthens the root system. I will stir. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I'll let it sit for an hour. After an hour, I pour the solution into a 5-liter bottle. I will dilute it with 5 liters of water. I'll close the bottle and give it a shot. Water the plants with this natural fertilizer once every 10 days. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends.